Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Radhe Radhe YouTube channel. This is V Rajeshri. We are going to discuss of vegetable science related classes which are very useful for ICRF, ICR, SRF, ASRB-NET, NABARD, PhD, IFCO, AGT. So previously we thought about cassava varieties. We are going to discuss today cassava varieties. Previously we discussed about some very important points related breeding, related research centers and all. Today we are going to start about varieties. There are different varieties. The majorly hybrids were developed through CTCRI, which was located in Thiruvananthapuram. Sri Saha, which is called H2304. This hybrid was developed by crossing between 5 parents. So it is also called as multiple crosses hybrid, which it is predominantly non-branching type. Next, Sri Vishakam, H1687. These numbers we have to means mostly they may ask in this format also, H1687 format, not directly the name. So we have to remember this both. So this Sri Vishakam hybrid was developed between a cross of AC number 1501 local cross Madagascar variety S2312, and it is high yielding with non-branching habit. It is also a table variety. There are two table varieties mostly. One is Sri Vishakam and the other one is Sri Prakash. Next, Sri Rekha, high yielding top crossed hybrid variety having excellent cooking quality, and it is also field tolerant to leaf spot and spider mite. Mostly in this Sri Rekha, the major point is field tolerant to leaf spot and spider mite. This was previous net bit. Next, Sri Prabha, high yielding top crossed hybrid variety having excellent cooking quality, field tolerant to leaf spot and spider mite. Majorly in cassava we see the bits related this cooking quality. Majorly they ask for Jaya and Vijaya, Sri Jaya, Sri Vijaya. These are very good cooking qualities. After that, Sri Rekha and Sri Prabha also, they are good in cooking. Next, there are two top crossed hybrids, which is TCH1 and TCH2. H2286. It is a promising hybrid. This hybrid was developed from Sri Prakash cross M4. Through this cross, we developed this H2286. It is tolerant to Cercospora and susceptible to cassava mosaic disease. Next, H165. This hybrid was popular in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh for industrial use. This was developed through crossing in between Chedyamangalam Vela cross clone similar to Kalkian. This cross develops H165. Next, H226. This is very popular variety in Tamil Nadu and AP for industrial use. This is cross between Itakapuram cross M4. M4 is introduced from Malayan. M4 was the introduced variety. This cross is H226. Next, H97. This hybrid was developed by Manjavela cross Brazilian seedling selection, which is tolerant to cassava mosaic virus and drought. Next, ME120. It has been found promising, exhibiting field resistant to mosaic virus. Next, these are some varieties which are developed through same Thiruvananthapuram Research Center CTCRI. These are Sri Jaya. As we said earlier, Sri Jaya, Sri Vijaya, these both are very important beats which related to early duration, means it's fastly growing variety, and cooking quality. The same features are related to this. It is a early variety. Short duration is of 180 to 210 days. Cooking quality is very good. It is a selection from the germplasm collection of indigenous origin. Next, suitable for lowland cultivation as a rotation crop in paddy based cropping system. And coming to Sri Vijaya, these are same features. Both are similar in features. Both are good for cooking and both are same short duration 180 to 210 days. It are suitable for lowland cultivation as a rotation crop in paddy based cropping system. Next, Sri Harsha. Sri Harsha is a triplide clone developed by It is a triplide clone developed by a cross between diploid with induced tetraploid clone of the released hybrid Sri Sahaya. It is very important bit. I think so. 2 years back in papers, net papers, they asked this question. Having high dry matter and starch content of 39.05% is also suitable for industrial purpose in Tamil Nadu. Next, Sri Prakash S856 released in 1987. Previously we said that there are two table varieties. This is the one Sri Prakash and the other one is Sri Vishakam. And it is also early maturing variety. It is a selection from germplasm collection of indigenous origin, resistant to Cercospora leaf spot disease and drought. And it is also a non-branching variety. Next, Sri Padmanabha. It is a first CMD resistant variety of tapioca or cassava. This is very important. First CMD, cassava mosaic disease resistant variety in tapioca was Sri Padmanabha. Next, Sri Swarna. Cassava mosaic disease tolerant variety of tapioca. It is also a CMD tolerant variety. Next, Sri Pavitra. Low cyanogenic glucoside HCN. We see in this Sri Pavitra variety low HCN. Sri Apurva. It is a triploid varieties. Next, Nidhi. Nidhi, it was developed from KAU, Kerala Agriculture University, and it is a clonal selection. It has short duration variety suitable for sandy loam traits on Onakura. Next, KMC1. Clonal selection from Ramnathala, a traditional cultivated one. It is also a non-branching variety, suitable as an intercrop in coconut gardens of Kutnand in Kerala. It is very important. It may ask which variety of cassava is suitable as an intercrop in coconut gardens of Kutnand in Kerala. Next, CO1. Clonal selection ME7 from the local type collected from Tiruchirappalli district in Tamil Nadu. CMD tolerant variety also. The CO1, CO2, CO3, these are these are developed through clonal selection and KMC1 also. CO2 is clonal selection from ME164 from an open pollinated seedling progeny raised from Tiruvarur local type in Tanjavur district of Tamil Nadu. It is a branching type and suitable for starch industries. See, this is the one we saw the branching type. Mostly there are non-branching types. CO3. Clonal selection ME1201 from seedling progenies of open pollinated seeds obtained from IITA Nigeria. It is very suitable for rainfed conditions. It is also a branching type which is resistant to CMV. Next, Ambakadan. It is an indigenous accession. We already studied of this Ambakadan. It is we used this as a true seed in true seed which gives good yield development. It is also developed from Kerala. Ichapuram local, promising cultivar of Andhra Pradesh, which is next. These are some important varieties. overall varieties we learn here. Non-branching varieties. Sri Prakash, Sri Harsha, Sri Apurva. These are non-branching varieties. And some more varieties of non-branching are there. Non-branching hybrids are Sri Vishakam. Hybrid varieties suitable for upland and lowland cultivation. It is also very important. Both upland and lowland cultivation. These are used. They are Sri Prabha and Sri Rekha. Early introductions are M4, M6. These introductions was developed means introduced from Malaysia. M4 and Kalkalan is good culinary quality. Which of the cassava variety have good culinary quality? They may ask in this format also. Notified varieties of cassava by CVRC is Sri Apurva, Sri Atulya, Tapioca, YTP1. So these are some of the notified varieties of cassava. And some recently released variety is Sri Reksha, resistant to CMD. It is a recently released variety which is very important. So guys, this is very important related to varieties. I think I covered almost all varieties which are very important. Don't miss to read each and every point. Read very well. This content is taken from all sources from our textbooks, so you may cover each and every point which is very important for NET SRF. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.